Honest with you, I had just been offered something else and I was going to go do it. It was something very cool. And they called me and they said, don't sign anything, do anything. We have one more offer for you. I said, what is it? They said, it shoots in LA. Check. It's a comedy. Check. It's with Jake Johnson and Ben Stiller. Check, check. And they said, it's a comedy and it's about pickleball. And I'm like, well, that's what I'm doing. My son, Charlie McDowell, gave me my first pickleball paddle 2 months before this and said, Mom, don't take this the wrong way, but people even older than you have beaten me at this sport. So, so I said, okay, I'm gonna get good at this, which has sadly not happened, but I do play all the time. I defy anybody not to have great chemistry with Jake Johnson. He's amazing. He's amazing. He's a great actor. He's hilarious. He's a beautiful person. And it was just a privilege hanging out with him. And Chen, who's so deeply funny in the movie. And so I predict this is going to be a big moment for his career. Andy Roddick would be a smart choice, but I'd still choose Jake. Because I know that we wouldn't win, but we would have such a laugh.